Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading, and this is for Gemini Ascendant, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement in their chart. Jupiter may resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. Cross watchers, if I describe someone and you know that it is not you, it is not you. Just because you are connecting with Gemini, you're going to assume that whom I'm describing here is you. Please don't, this is not a personal reading. So, Gemini, thank you so much for all the prayers. You know that I have been sick and was admitted, right? With the crystals in my kidneys, but I am recovering now. So, you know that I love crystals so much. Let's go back to business. Gemini, your first card is the Knight of Wands. So, from what I'm seeing here, things are flowing according to your will, right? This is, the energy is not too fast, also not too slow. With the Knight of Wands here, there's also something, probably a communication or an event that you are waiting for. Gems, I can also see here that, oh, someone wants to kind of, okay, I'm seeing two scenarios here. Probably the other person already left, right? So they're about to come back. Or someone feels like, that their person is slowly drifting away. And if you feel that your person is slowly drifting away, I can sense a comeback from them, right? They probably did your numbers, left you out in the cold, ghosted you, blocked you. So I'm seeing here less communication to no communication at all. So for those people who feel that their person is drifting away, you might feel that their energy is, their attention, affection, effort is getting lessened, right? For those of you who are already in a separation, I can see her come back. You know, the separation here might be physical or energetic. Physical, your person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent. You might be in a long distance connection, or let's say energetic separation. You're not on the same page anymore, right? You started good. You started good. But from what I'm seeing here, that, that a discussion, let's say, a fight probably. So someone here, probably tamed the beast in them, or taming the beast in them, do not want to talk. So someone here wanted to keep silence for now. That is true. Someone here wanted to keep silence for now. They don't probably want to bring, to add up, right? They don't want to add up another chaotic and let's say, topic. All right. With the Knight of Swords, things happen so fast, right? Is this some kind of a joke for them? The other person feels like, oh no, this is not a joke for me, right? Probably someone is teasing the other person, but I can see here also taboo. What is taboo, right? Let's say ethnicity. Probably you grew up in a different background, so your sense of humor is different from each other. Someone hurted the other person. Probably they tackled ethnicity, races, right? Skin color, right? What have you, right? Or religion could be, right? Or the country where they're from. So those differences feels like that the other person is mocking the and for them it's really hurtful, but I can sense that it will be fixed though with the sun. For those of you who's new to the channel, then welcome. You might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online wherein I'm doing a live streaming, and in the live stream you can ask me questions. If you missed the live streaming, you can still ask me questions. There's a link in the description box. Click that link, you'll be routed to my page. Tap in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video and your next video will be a full reading. So gems, if you also want to know your lucky numbers and lucky color, follow me on Instagram. That's dated June the 21st to the 30th. And if you also want to know your financial forecast, follow me on Instagram as well. If you are into twin flame readings, almost personal readings, pick a card and channel messages, subscribe to the other channel. That is Timeless Tarot 111. And if you resonate with the reading, congratulations. If you do not resonate with the reading, you can come back to the reading after a week or two. Time is fluid. If you resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, still congratulations, for I am doing a collective reading. So gems, let's continue. Gems, I can sense it with a 5 of Cups. So someone now is regretting, right? Probably they regret what they did, right? They didn't mean to hurt you. That's what I'm seeing with the Page of Cups. Their energy wanted to reach out. A delayed message. Probably they also feel that you are still mad at them. That's why they are trying to gauge your energy, right? They feel that you are still mad at them. With the 4 of Pentacles, they think that you are trying to avoid their energy for for a reason. Yeah, they can feel you. With the 8 of Swords, you know what? Kind of, they cannot sleep at night. They felt like their higher self, their conscience is bugging them. Yes, there may be things that they did that's really uncalled for, but I can see here there's really a remorse, right? With the 7 of Cups, they are going to open up, open an opportunity, or they will be waiting for an open opportunity coming from you, so that they can approach you, right? They can really feel that you're still mad and they are afraid. With a 5 of Pentacles here, with a 9 of Pentacles, you are their happiness. Probably they're also, something in them feels like there's something more that I need to discover with my Gemini, right? They thought that they knew you well, but yeah, their insensitivity really give this connection a little, a rough situation. With a 5 of Cups, there's really a regret and they feel like you're not going to forgive them anymore. With a 10 of Swords, they feel like that this is the end of the connection. Is it? Right? But I don't think so. With the Sun is here. There's a problem in them, or there's already a blockage in them on how they can express their emotion. With the King of Cups, they really wanted to express it, but since you created a blockage, it felt like with the 4 of Pentacles, right, you're holding back a bit. And the 8 of Swords here with the 5 of Wands and the 9 of Swords, probably they're also thinking, are you giving them some sort of worry? They think that you are already in a third party. With the 9 of Swords, they're going crazy with what you're doing to them. It felt like to me that they are that they are dumped already with this chaos. You might be connecting with, of course, Leo, or has a Leo placement in their chart, or you have a Leo placement in your chart. Taurus, or has a Taurus placement in their chart, or you have a Taurus placement in your chart. Any water placements here, or you have a water placements in your chart, Libra, or has a Libra placement in their chart, or you have a Libra placement in your chart. So this is your reading. If you resonate with this and you want to go in depth, you can book a personal reading with me. If you are okay with the reading and you just have a question or two, there's a link in the description box. Click that link. You'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video and your next video will be a full reading. Thank you so much for watching, Gemini, and thank you again for the prayers. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Goodbye, Gems.